Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I'm going to share with you guys the test run about this 2 uncut version Toon Class card. So this one is the FMA, and the motor is running by the Torque Tune. As you can see, Torque Tune. And this one is also Torque Tune. Okay, you can see it's Torque Tune as well. Okay, so here so we're gonna do a quick review for this FMA. As you can see, the simple pivot and sliding damper at back. Okay, and the side dampers and hammer dampers and 2 small regular dampers, and the back is simple AT. Okay, and this one is uncut version bumperless MS suspension, and simple AT at back. Also hammer dampers and 2 side dampers and no body dampers. Okay, so here we're gonna see the test video on those 2. Okay, check it out. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you want to know more about this uncut version suspension, I will put the link in the end of the video. Okay, and if you have any question, you can please leave it your comment at the bottom, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, so if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.